If you're just getting into golf or looking to upgrade from an older set, buying a complete golf club package can save you both time and money. Today, we're reviewing the Wilson Men's Profile Platinum Complete Golf Club Package Set Greater Than, a complete right-handed golf set that includes everything most golfers need to head straight to the course. Featuring a driver, fairway wood, hybrid, irons, wedges, putter, and a lightweight stand bag, this package is designed to help beginner and intermediate golfers build confidence while enjoying the game. But is it actually worth buying? Let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice is the premium appearance. The clubs feature a modern black, silver, and platinum finish that looks sleek without feeling overly flashy. Each club feels well balanced in the hands, while the lightweight graphite and steel shaft combination helps create an easy-to-handle setup. The included stand bag is another highlight. It's lightweight, comfortable to carry, and includes multiple storage pockets for golf balls, gloves, tees, apparel, and other accessories. For golfers who enjoy walking the course, this bag is a welcome addition. The biggest advantage of this package is convenience. Instead of purchasing clubs individually, you receive a complete set that's designed to work together. The oversized driver inspires confidence at address and is designed to help golfers launch the ball more easily off the tee. The fairway wood and hybrid offer versatility from both the fairway and light rough, while the irons provide consistency on approach shots. The wedges help with pitching and short game control around the greens. Finally, the putter offers solid alignment features that can help newer golfers improve accuracy on the green. Overall, the clubs are designed to be forgiving, making mishits less punishing than many players' clubs. One reason this set is popular among beginners is its forgiving design. The clubs are engineered to help produce higher launches and straighter shots on off-center hits. While no club can completely eliminate mistakes, the added forgiveness can make learning the game more enjoyable and help build confidence over time. Intermediate golfers looking for an affordable upgrade may also appreciate the balanced performance. The included stand bag is practical and comfortable. Dual shoulder straps help distribute weight evenly while walking. The automatic stand mechanism keeps the bag stable on the course, and the multiple zippered pockets provide room for drinks, valuables, rain gear, and golf accessories. For golfers who frequently walk rather than use a cart, portability is definitely a strong point. The Wilson Profile Platinum is ideal for new golfers, beginner players, casual weekend golfers, intermediate golfers seeking value, anyone wanting a complete golf package in one purchase. Highly competitive or advanced golfers may eventually choose premium custom-fitted clubs, but this package provides an excellent starting point for most recreational players. Overall, the Wilson Men's Profile Platinum Complete Golf Club Package Set delivers outstanding value for golfers who want a complete, easy-to-play setup without the hassle of buying clubs individually. The forgiving clubs, lightweight stand bag, and balanced performance make it one of the best complete golf sets for beginners and casual golfers. If you're looking for an affordable way to start playing golf or upgrade your current equipment, the Wilson Profile Platinum is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the first golf course you'd take this set to?